Welcome to Tata Chem DAV Public School Mithapur online classes. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi, your maths teacher for class 5. Today we are going to start chapter 2, operation on large numbers. And in this chapter our topic is addition and subtraction of large numbers. Addition of large numbers. A large number is just a number with more than one digit. But no matter how many digits a number has, if you know your basic addition facts, you can add it to any other large number easily. Let's practice this one. 2 crore 82 lakh 95,067, 7 crore 6 lakh 53,248 and 85 crore 43 lakh 15,902. See, the period have been separated with commas in Indian system. First, arrange the number in place value table to find the answer. 2 crore 82 lakh 95,067, 7 crore 6 lakh 53,248 and 85 crore 43 lakh 15,902. Now we draw a line so our answer can go below it, and we write a plus sign on the left to show that we are adding. So let's start by adding these three large numbers together. As usual, we start adding from ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousand, then 10,000, then lakh, then 10 lakh, next crore, and lastly 10 crore. Step 1. First add the digit of ones place. 7 plus 8 plus 2 is equal to 17. That is 17 ones is equal to 1 tens plus 7 ones. So 7 we will write in ones place and carry 1 to tens place. Step 2. Then add the digit of tens place. 1 plus 6 plus 4 plus 0 is equal to 11. That is 11 tens. 1 is equal to 100 plus 1 tens. So 1 we will write in tens place and carry 1 to hundreds place. Step 3. Now add the digit of hundred place. 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 9 is equal to 12. That is 12 hundreds is equal to 1 thousands plus 2 hundreds. So 2 we will write in hundreds place and carry 1 to the thousand place. Step 4. Now add the digit of thousands place. 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 14. That is 14,000 is equal to 110,000 plus 4,000. So 4 we will write in thousands place and carry 1 to 10,000 place. Step 5. Then add the digit of 10,000 place. 1 plus 9 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 16. That is 16 10,000 is equal to 1 lakhs plus 6 10,000. So 6 we will write in 10,000 place and carry 1 to the lakhs place. Step 6. Now add the digit of lakhs place. 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 12. That is 12 lakh is equal to 110 lakhs plus 2 lakhs. So 2 we will write in lakhs place and carry 1 to the 10 lakhs place. Step 7. Then we add the digit of 10 lakhs place. 1 plus 8 plus 0 plus 4 is equal to 13. That is 13 10 lakhs is equal to 1 crore plus 3 10 lakhs. So 3 we will write in 10 lakh place and carry 1 to the crore place. Step 8. Then add the digit of crore place. 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 15. That is 15 crore is equal to 110 crore plus 5 crore. So 5 we will write in crore place and carry 1 to the 10 crore place. Step 9. Now add the digit of 10 crore place. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. So 9 we will write in the 10 crore place. Okay, we have added up all our places. So the answer of our addition problem is 95 crore 32 lakh 64,217. Alright, now you know how to do large number addition. Subtraction of large number. Let's practice this one. 1 crore 98 lakh 76,432 from 5 crore 23 lakh 45,678. In large number subtraction, it is important to remember that order matter, especially when you are writing your question. You have to make sure that the bigger number should always be on top. See, the periods have been separated with commas in Indian system. Okay, first arrange the large number in place value table to find the answer. First, we will write the bigger number 5 crore 23 lakh 45,678. Then we will write smallest number 1 crore 98 lakh 76,432. Now we draw a line so our answer can be written below it, and we write a minus sign on left to show that we are subtracting. As usual, we start subtraction from ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousand, then 10,000, then lakhs, then 10 lakhs, next crore, and lastly 10 crore. Step 1. Subtract a digit of ones place. Here we subtract the bottom number from the top. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So 6 we will write in ones place. Step 2. Subtract a digit of tens place. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So 4 we will write in tens place. Step 3. Subtract a digit of hundreds place. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So 2 we will write in hundreds place. Step 4. Subtract a digit of thousands place. Oh, look at this in our thousands place. The digit on top place is smaller than the digit on the bottom. How can we subtract a bigger number from a smaller number? Did we make some kind of mistake? No, we have written our problem correctly. Sometimes it just happens. The top digit might be smaller than the bottom digit, so we cannot subtract it. So we borrow 1/10,000 from the 10,000 column. If we borrow a 1 from the next number, 4 will change from 4 to 3. Then we put the 1 in front of the borrowing digit, which will make it 15. Now we can do the subtraction. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. So 9 we will write in the thousands place. Step 5. Subtract a digit of 10,000 place. Again, we cannot subtract 7 from 3, so we borrow 1 lakh from lakh column. If we borrow a 1 from 3, it will change from 3 to 2. Then we put 1 in front of the borrowing digit, which will make it 13. Now subtract 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. So 6 will be right in the 10,000s place. Step 6. Now subtract the digit of lakh place. See again, we cannot subtract 8 from 2. So borrow 1/10 lakh from 10 lakh place. If we borrow 1 from 2, it will change from 2 to 1. Then we put 1 in front of the borrowing digit, which will make it 12. Now subtract 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. So 4 will be right in lakh place. Step 7. Now subtract the digit of 10 lakh place. We cannot subtract 9 from 1. So borrow 1 crore from crore place. If we borrow 1 from 5, it will change from 5 to 4. Then we put 1 in front of the borrowing digit, which will make it 11. Now subtract 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. So 2 will be right in the 10 lakh place. Step 8. Now subtract the digit of crore place. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So 3 will be right in the crore place. So the answer of our question is 3 crore 24,69,246. Hopeful you have a better idea of how large number subtraction works. Students, it is very important to practice more and more sum to build confidence. I recommend that you solve few problems each day for several days and verify the answer by parents. Hope the concept of addition and subtraction of large number is clear to you. Thank you.